In front of me is Oukitel WP35, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings. When you're ready, hit Passwords and Accounts over here and tap on the gear icon next to Google under Autofill service. Now you need to enable Autofill thanks to this switcher. Hit Google Password Manager and add any password by choosing Add Password in Passwords section. Following that, input all of those informations. At the top, you can type in any website or click Select App and tap on the chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!